Now I've deliberately left our two 3D solids very, very large in the drawing area. I've zoomed in really close for a deliberate reason. If I zoom in a bit more and just roll up a few notches on the wheel, I'm now in really close on that 3D solid and I need to zoom out a little bit. Now funnily enough, we have a zoom out which is the exact opposite of the zoom in. So again, it's on the View tab, Navigate panel, and click on the flyout there. And if I go to zoom out, right at the bottom of the list here, it decreases by a factor of 2. So it's halving the magnification. So when I click on out, you can see it's half size. If I do it again, notice it's got a minus sign this time on the ribbon there. I can click directly on the icon because it remembers the last one, and it's zoomed me out again by a factor of 2. So everything becomes half size. If I click again, half size again. If I click again, half size again. Now if I want that back to full size or to extents, I can just double click on the wheel and it brings it back and it zooms to the extents of the visible objects. But again, that zoom out is very useful. You might need to just zoom out slightly when you're working on a complicated drawing. And you might just need to come out by a factor of 2. You don't need to zoom out for miles and miles and miles. Just come out slightly so that you can actually see the wood for the trees, to use a phrase. So for example, if I'm in real close, let's roll up on the wheel a bit, and I'm only looking now at the hole in that 3D solid. If I do a couple of zoom outs, 1, 2, I can now see the whole solid there. Can you see that? It's a lot easier to work with. You know where it is. It's on the View tab, on the Navigate panel, and it's zoom out. And it zooms out by a factor of 2, thus halving the magnification in your AutoCAD drawing area.